It's time to do laundry in the Philippines because I am never hand washing laundry ever again. Despite the name of the location, I did not do it myself. I dropped it off. Now the cost of full service is dependent upon the weight of your actual clothes. And off I went. So I intended on doing my own laundry, but I couldn't figure out the machines. So, yeah, I paid for the service. And now I have 4 hours to kill. Now either I can go back to the rental or just walk around and see what happens. I decided to walk around and see what happens. To find a 7-Eleven so I can listen to this banger. This was my jam. I went to several 7-Elevens during my time here in the Philippines just so I can hear and sing this song. Along the way, I met a new friend and I successfully convinced her to go to hookah with me because nobody ever wants to go hookah with me in the States. Afternoon. Yes. I tried to come last time. It said you guys closed at 2. I came here at 1 o'clock. It was empty. There was nobody here. It happened. And it was black out there. It was closed. I finally made it to hookah. Yes. Yes! Hookah! Side note, there's this vlogger in the Philippines. The channel's name is Regular Guy, and he's always looking for a good cup of coffee. So what you see with me is, I'm always in search of good hookah, no matter where I am or who I'm with. Yes! Sweet melon. Sweet melon. Sweet melon. Ladies and gentlemen, it's about time. First hookah in the Philippines. Yeah, go for it. Sweet melon. I never said I smoked hookah gracefully. She was shy and a bit hesitant, but... a little bit. You got it. See, you like it. You like it. You like it. You like it. She liked it a lot. Like a pro. You tell them. Tell them it's fun.
It's fun.
It is fun, yes?
Yeah,
okay.
it is.
That's fun. So come do hookah with me. Amber.
It's great.
We were hungry, so... clear out that smoke. Cafe Hayati was amazing. The vibe was great. The location was chill. That was what I definitely looked for in a hookah lounge. The Mediterranean vibe was good. The food was fantastic. Even though I didn't record me eating any of it, it was great because it was all about the hookah. Definitely boots on the ground approved if you're in Cebu. But the day's not over yet. Even though the bridesmaids left, my friend, the bride, and company were still around, and they were at Sugbo Mercado. Yes! Look who it is! Oh my gosh! I shove a camera in your face because I care. The bride, she's still here! Oh.
My in-laws are watching the video. Where's the girls? The girls that you, the friends?
What? She's over here. Only one today.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi, I'm Sue. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Alright, well, I'm gonna find her something to eat. You think by now I get tired of this place, but I love it here. My favorite spot. I'm just always sweating here. That's the only difference. I don't know. There he is. There he is. All right. Good to see you. Hi. Hi. Hi.
There's Jason.
I didn't know. I'm around.
Yeah, this is there last night.
Oh, really?
You'll
Okay.
see.
Last one standing.
What's your name? Aina. Nice to meet you.
What is this? You said it's an oyster?
Yeah.
Did you? Oh, good. You know, that's good. That is good.
It's like cheesy.
It's cheesy. Okay, so we got that out the way, the hookah, the laundry. Now the adventure continues. I'm never gonna grow up.